and you wait for, you know, to detail, to vacuum it all up at one time. Put it in there till it gets full. And but I hate to throw the money that I think I hadn't used it, but I'm gonna tell you is when you get a lot of you don't want to sit and go through that stuff. This is a great which are right here, and it's basically like a sifter. So I made it. You're looking at it. All right, those are hoses from the water hose, and then you just gonna pour water on. That's just gonna rest that off. That's all quarters and nickels, and that's gonna be worth every bit of it. If I can get that, that's all I did. See how that slid down? Look at all that white stuff on the ground. Let's see if that money. But man, you see how that one's all jacked up. You get stuff like that, you can just pick that up like this. There's some coins in here. I don't think there's any count. There's some of them that are. Detailers want that right there. You better get that.